Good evening, folks, and welcome to the 14th episode of the Rahul Nair Finance Show. You're listening to the daily Dealroom from startups to stock markets, where we decode the business buzz of the day. Crisp, clear, and to the point.
Today is 30th July 2025. Before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. This podcast is for educational purposes only. It is not a buy or sell recommendation. Always consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions.
Let's start with our first segment, the market wrap, closing bell major indices performance. Nifty 50 gained by 0.14%, closing at 24,855. Sensex increased by 0.17%, ending at 81,481. Bank Nifty went down by 0.13%, closing at 56,150. Nifty Midcap declined by 0.07%, closing at 57,942. Nifty Smallcap down by 0.52%, ending at 18,156. Major indices performance. Gainers. Nifty Infrastructure closed higher by 0.50% at 926.5. Followed by Nifty IT, which went up by 0.31%, closing at 23,072. Losers. Nifty Realty closed lower at -96% at 917.65, followed by Nifty Media, which closed at 1,625, 0.79% down.
Let's continue with our second segment, company news. Some interesting moves lined up. Adani Power's board will meet on August 1st to discuss its first ever stock split, proposing the subdivision of its fully paid-up equity shares with a face value of 10 rupees. The exact split ratio, ex-date, and record date will be announced after board approval. Keep your eyes peeled. Stock splits often increase liquidity and attract new investors.
Let's continue with our third segment, gold, currency, and global news. In global news, the rupee slumped to a 4-month low at 87.43 against the dollar. This comes after the latest tariff threats from Donald Trump rattled the forex markets. There's a lift on the economic front, though. The IMF has raised India's FY26 growth forecast to 6.4%, crediting improved prospects worldwide. And for those tracking commodities, gold is trading at 98,595 today.
Let's continue with our fourth segment, IPO radar. On the IPO front, flexible workspace provider Indiqube Spaces made its debut on the NSE at 216 rupees, which is a 9% discount to the issue price of 237 rupees. A muted listing showing that even hot sectors like co-working can face cold market responses.
Let's continue with our fifth segment, business detail time for a deep dive. Let's talk about Luckin Coffee's big comeback. The Chinese coffee heavyweight, remember, the one caught in a massive 2020 sales fraud? Well, they've turned things around. After losing investor credibility and getting delisted in the US, Luckin went through a serious restructuring, raised new funds, and rebuilt trust. Now, they're back with over 24,000 stores across China and Asia, overtaking Starbucks in sheer numbers and sales. Their latest bold move, opening in New York City, just 200 feet from a Starbucks. How did they do it? All orders are made via app. No counter service, no barista chat. Drinks are ready in 3 to 5 minutes. Prices? Around $2 per drink, compared to Starbucks' $6. The focus is clear. Speed, price, and convenience. Chasing Gen Z, students, and busy workers. Meanwhile, Starbucks is losing younger customers. Their stores in China have turned into pickup hubs, thanks to the rise of mobile orders, and overall sales are dipping. Rahul. Luckin grew fast, often opening stores right next to Starbucks. They opted for user experience and value over short-term profits. Their comeback shows brands can recover from major scandals. Innovation isn't just gadgets. It's also about reinventing business models. Modern consumers want convenience and price over in-store ambiance. Leaders can't afford to be complacent with agile disruptors around.
Let's continue with our sixth segment, Decathlon's $3 billion sourcing plan from India by 2030. On to a major sourcing story. Decathlon is gearing up to grow its sourcing from India to $3 billion by 2030, boosting India's share in global sourcing from 8% to 15%. By 2025, over 70% of products sold by Decathlon in India will be made locally. By 2030, this should hit 90%. This expansion will create over 300,000 jobs across India's production ecosystem. Strategic focus areas include footwear, fitness equipment, technical textiles, and innovations in sports like cricket and yoga. Decathlon's India network now includes 113 manufacturing sites, 83 suppliers, 7 production offices, and a sport-specific design center. On the retail side, Decathlon operates 132 stores in 55 cities, aiming for 90-plus cities by 2030.
Let's continue with our seventh segment, Private Market Pulse. Big shakeup in the startup space. BluSmart Mobility has been admitted to insolvency by the NCLT Ahmedabad, following a creditor petition from Catalyst trusteeship. The company defaulted on a 15 crore debt from secured debentures issued in April 2023, failing to repay over 1.28 crore due in March and April 2025. BluSmart's defenses didn't hold. The NCLT cited clear defaults, even referring to an April 10, 2025, admission by BluSmart's founder. Moratorium on legal and recovery actions is in place. NPV insolvency professionals are now IRPs, taking over management and inviting creditor claims. BluSmart already suspended services in Delhi NCR, Bengaluru, and Mumbai since April, after SEBI barred its founders for alleged fund misuse. The impact? 10,000-plus drivers have lost jobs. Customer wallet refunds are pending, and the app is non-functional. Lenders are prepping to sell up to 2,000 EVs. Rival Evera Cabs is taking in some vehicles and drivers. Forensic audits and legal actions are ongoing. Creditors could propose revival, else liquidation may follow. In M&A news, Zaggle is acquiring fintech startup Rio.Money, Rupee Technology Private Limited, in a cash deal worth Rs 22 crore, $2.5 million, a full 100% equity and voting rights transaction, as per regulatory filings.
That wraps up today's episode of the Rahul Nair Finance Show, brought to you under our daily series, The Daily Dealroom, from startups to stock markets. If you like this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who's into business and investing.
We'll catch you tomorrow with more updates. Until then, stay curious, stay invested.